Today we have a car with a no crank, no start problem. When I turn the key or press the start button, the engine does not crank at all. There is no sound from the starter, so we need to diagnose step by step. The first thing I always check is the battery condition. A weak or dead battery is the most common reason for no crank. With ignition off, battery voltage should be around 12.6 volts. If it drops below 12 volts, the car may not crank. You can try jump-starting the car or charging the battery to confirm. Next, check the battery terminals and main ground cable. Loose, dirty, or corroded connections can stop power from reaching the starter motor. Always make sure the terminals are tight and clean. Also check the ground cable from battery to chassis and engine. If battery and connections are good, we move to the fuses and relays. Check the starter fuse and starter relay in the fuse box. A blown fuse or bad relay will stop the starter from working. You can swap the relay with another similar relay to test. Now we check the starter motor itself. When turning the key, listen for a clicking sound. If you hear a click but no crank, the starter motor may be faulty or stuck. You can test for power at the starter solenoid using a multimeter. If power is there but the starter does not turn, the starter is likely bad. On automatic cars, also check the gear selector. The car must be in park or neutral. A faulty neutral safety switch can cause a no-crank condition. Another important check is the immobiliser system. If the immobiliser light is flashing on the dashboard, the car may block the start signal. Try another key or check for key recognition issues. Finally, connect a diagnostic scanner. Modern cars can have communication faults, ECU problems, or clutch switch faults that stop cranking. Scan for fault codes and check live data. So always diagnose step by step. Battery, connections, fuses, relay, starter motor, ignition switch, and immobiliser. That is the basic process to find a no crank, no start fault on most vehicles.